Hey guys, Dresil everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan bhatsa marku. So this recipe is very simple and delicious recipe and hopefully you guys love it. Okay guys, so these are ingredients we need in this recipe. The ingredient is very simple, you will find very easily. So first of all we need chura ship. It's called churship and it's grated dry cheese. So this is you will find in Tibetan area. And second we need butter and sugar and flour and water. That's it. It's very simple. So if you want to know proper ingredient list, don't forget to check my description box also. So add the flour, how much you going to make. So I'm gonna add 1 more cup. Now take a water and add slowly. Do not add one time all the water because we have to make this dough a little bit hard. It's like a momo dough you have to make. Now you have to do for this until dough becomes soft. Do for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm gonna cover and leave it for 10 minutes to rest the dough. Right? Now after 10 minutes later, now we're gonna make. So first I'm gonna make a flat this. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit flour in downside. And add just a little bit here also. Now here I'm gonna keep the boil water. you can see I apply just a little bit flour only, so that is different if you make the hard dough, so it will not stick each other and you don't need to add too much flour. That's it. You can make by hand also, but if you do like this, it will pain your finger. So for me this is easy. Now it's ready. Now here my water also boil. I like to add just a little bit pinch of salt, just a little bit. And now I'm gonna add noodles. And now you have to start lightly. You have to boil for 3 to 4 minutes in normal high heat. Once it boils a little, it will all come upside. Now take a one noodle and you can see it's cooked or not. Take one noodle and eat. My noodles are already cooked. Now I'm gonna turn on the heat and I'm gonna remove the water. Now we already removed the water. Now it's very hot. You have to add all ingredients. So first I'm gonna add butter. So butter, how much you gonna add is depend on you. So I'm gonna add just 1 cube. And next we're gonna add sugar. So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons sugar. And 3 tablespoons chip, it's dry cheese, and we have to give good mix. Now our bhastsa marku is ready. Now it's ready to eat. So guys, how it is easy to make, and usually we make this recipe special occasion time only, but now you can enjoy any time because it's very easy to make and it's very delicious also. If you have never tried this recipe, I will recommend you should be try one time. You will love it. So guys, this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. And for more recipe guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this lovely recipe. And Happy New Year to all my dear friends in advance, because our New Year also coming soon. And 정말 레터시딜레 아니미 비디오 디인소 캔나바 정말 팬토에 레와예 and 루사터시딜레 정말라